Welcome to the Honda Power Equipment video on EU3000i Handi Honda generator maintenance. Honda recommends using Honda genuine parts when performing any maintenance on your generator. All maintenance items should be performed at regular intervals according to the owner's manual. To clean the generator, simply wipe it down with a moist cloth. For best results, clean your generator when it is completely cool. Do not pour water on or into your generator for any reason. It is best to drain engine oil when the oil is warm, not hot. The oil drain is on the bottom of this generator. For easy access, place wooden blocks under the feet and wheels. Remove the oil drain plug and put a suitable container below the engine to catch the used oil. Remove the oil drain plug and sealing washer and allow the used oil to fully drain. Reinstall the oil drain plug with a new sealing washer and tighten it. Then reinstall the drain plug cover. Add 10W30 oil to bring the oil level to the upper limit of the oil filler neck. When the oil begins to run out, the oil level is correct. Reinstall the dipstick. Wipe up any spilled oil and reinstall the maintenance cover. Always dispose of used motor oil in an environmentally responsible manner. To access the air filter, remove the maintenance cover. Remove the filters and wash them with warm water and household detergent. After the filters are clean and dry, pour some fresh oil into a resealable plastic bag, put the filters inside, and seal the bag. Squeeze the filters in the bag so the oil penetrates the filters evenly. Remove the filters from the bag and lay them on a clean rag. Fold the rag over the filters and press out any excess oil. If too much oil is left in the filters, the engine will smoke during startup. Before reinstalling the filters, wipe any dirt from the air filter housing with a clean rag. Be careful not to get any dirt into the carburetor inlet. Finally, reinstall the filters and the maintenance cover. Allow the engine to cool before removing the spark plug. To access the spark plug, remove the maintenance cover, disconnect the spark plug wire, and remove the spark plug. Replace the spark plug if it is fouled, the electrodes are worn, or if the insulator is cracked or chipped. Make sure the spark plug gap is between 0.7 and 0.8 millimeters. Install the spark plug by hand to avoid cross-threading. If you are reinstalling the old spark plug, tighten it 1/8 turn after the spark plug seats. If you are installing a new spark plug, tighten it 1/4 turn after the spark plug seats. Do not over-tighten the spark plug. Reconnect the spark plug wire and reinstall the maintenance cover. Refer to the owner's manual maintenance schedule for a complete list of maintenance items. Some of the maintenance items, like valve adjustment, should be performed by your local Honda Power Equipment dealer. This concludes the video tutorial on how to maintain your EU3000i Handi Honda generator. Always refer to the owner's manual for clarification and more detail on the processes shown in this video. For additional resources, visit us at powerequipment.honda.com.